Welcome to Betty's Cooking Channel. Today I'm going to be making some king trumpet mushrooms. So let's get started. I have 3 cloves of garlic, a teaspoon of salt, and a piece of ginger in this bowl here. So I'm going to go ahead and smash it up. I'm going to turn on this burner over here. That way I can start heating up my skillet. I'll place 2 tablespoons of grapeseed oil in the pan while I chop up my garlic and ginger. Okay, it's about the way I would like it. So let's just get that off the mortar here. Wash the mushrooms. I'm going to go ahead and wash the mushrooms with a little damp paper towel. I'll put a little water in it, not much. I placed them in the bowl here and I shaped them like scallops. It's great to have like a vegan or meatless Mondays, at least one time a week. So this is a vegan recipe. Oh, the garlic smells so good in here. We'll have to find a top because these will cook too fast without the top. Top on them. Add some water to it. I'm going to cover it. Let it cook. I add some black pepper to this pan. Mushroom scallops out of the oven. I added a half lemon, and then I couldn't resist passing this up in my garden. It is February 6, 2019. And look at the rose I just took out of my garden. Isn't that beautiful? But the scallops are delicious. The mushroom scallops are delicious. I'm gonna taste one right now. They are well seasoned. I'm gonna taste the garlic and the ginger, salt and pepper, and that lemon. Oh, it tastes so good. You make this dish, you're not gonna miss meat. Just for one day a week. I mean, it's a great recipe. So, thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share. Have a wonderful day.